Alright, hi everyone. So in this video I'll try to put together the roller blind hack for the Jayco Swan. We have found this hack on the Facebook group for Jayco Swan owners. I can't remember the person's name who suggested the hack, but I will find the name and add it to the description. At what you're seeing right now, I'm taking off the original blinds. And I'm trying to do it on using one hand, but it's impossible. So I had to put my phone down now. Alright, so I'm not an expert, but what I have done so far is taken off the top part of the curtain, and these are all the curtains that you can see. There's some clips in here, just need to take it off. These are plastic. I broken one because I pulled it too hard. Classic. So I'm gonna do this this side first near the kitchen and see how it goes. Alright, so instead of doing the kitchen side, I started doing the smaller one, which is 60 centimeter wide. The reason that I wanted to do this one first, because as I said, I'm not an expert, and I make mistakes, so I thought that I would rather start with the smaller one. And I'm just showing that it's pretty neat solution, and I'm really glad that my wife has actually pushed me to do this. So what we did, we put up the one side, which is like 150 mil in the kitchen side. So because there is like this electric wire coming from the roof, I'll quickly show you where I put the screw, and really it is a bit tricky. So I'm just going up, so as you can see, that's where it went. So how I measured it, I aimed it towards the zipper, and on the other side it's on the zipper too. So that gave me a good estimated length, I guess. That's where I put it. And this is the other side. You see right there, right against the zipper in here. So yeah, that worked out well. So what I found, when I'm putting this thing, make sure that it's snug fit, otherwise it tend to fall off. Yeah, so far it's working well, can't really complain. Oh, one more thing that we did is when yeah, there you go, sorry. So there you go, perfect. So one more thing we did, after we put up this one, we wind the camper down to check if anything is hitting it, and then wind it up back again, but it doesn't seem to be actually got damaged or anything. As you can see, this is what I was saying, it needs to be snug fit. So I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it needs to be snug fit, otherwise it tends to fall off. Yeah, so what I was saying, we wind it down and then put it back up again, just to make sure that nothing is actually getting bent or damaged. But what my wife and I found, that it's actually winding it down really well and easily, and no damage. So 2 more to go. One is in here, another one has to be in there. So that one, the door side, is 180 mil in length, and this would be another 150 mil in length. All right, I will show you the next one when I put it up. All right, so the second one is up. What I did, you can see that this one, the left side, I aligned it with the zipper, but I chose to, it doesn't look that great, but I chose to move that curtain a little bit further to the right. That's because I was a bit concerned that this clip is gonna straight come down to the tap. So I was a bit worried. So I kind of chose to ignore the aesthetic of it, and I will apologize to my wife later, but I wanted to be safe rather than sorry. And as you can see, things are all over the floor. I really don't want to go in there again, but naturally I'll show what is the concern. So just hopping over, I don't know if I fall or not, but let's see. So there is this screw in there, so you need to be very careful that you're not on top of it, but I just aimed it a couple of, like half an inch away from the screw, and then put it up there. And I kept the wire thing in here, which would be behind the cupboard, so the wire doesn't tangle around the tap. Yeah, so far so good. All right, let's move on to the next, which is the big one, which basically is the 180 mil. As you can see, that's the one, 180. All right, see you again. All right, so all 4 blinds are up. This is like open state. You can see everything is open, tidy, nothing is hanging except for the bed end ones, a couple of them here, a couple of them there. Let me show you, actually 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 roller blinds. All right, let's go and pull them down. All right, moment of truth. That's it. Slick. The next one. Easy. Coming down. So what I found, if you put them behind this rail, that is neat fit. There you go. Neat. You can just put it down. That's it. So it doesn't tangle around anywhere. All right. The next one is a bit up there. Just put it down. That's it. Coming down and put it behind this. Yep. Put it behind this and tuck it up. That's it. Neat. And the other one, I put it up here, right there. They screw in there. I'm gonna put it down now. Easy. That's it. It goes behind that, and then snug fit. As you can see, that's it. Oh. Neat. If I pull it down more, it goes behind that. There you go. Let's go behind that. It's pretty dark here, so for the kids it's pretty good. One thing that I did not show is the screw that I used. I didn't use the one that comes with it, but I used something from Bunnings, size 8, 20 mil button head, so that worked really well. I pre-drilled all the bits, and then I used the hand screwdriver to put them in. Right, pretty happy with it. That's it. That's all good. All right, hope that helps. Thank you. See you on the next one.
What will you do?